Right. So immediately, can anyone tell me what were the three previous sessions that we have discussed so far?
Yes, sir. Of developing magnetic personality.
Hmm.
After that, what corporate want us.
Hmm.
And focus and concentration.
Yes, sir.
So point is, right now I can see the involvement. So I want you to be more involved and more. These sessions should more be on your top of the mind, so that, because now these sessions are, the objective is to develop you, right, and to prepare you, okay, and to give you an understanding of handle and how to handle and conduct yourself in challenging times going forward. Right now you are facing one, and going forward 2 years from now you will face again, and then subsequently in life you will face a lot of challenges, right? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So what is today's session all about?
Just set
Goal
goals.
setting.
The setting
Goal
goal.
setting.
So what is this, football goal or anything else?
Sir, it's the goal of life which we want to
Goal of
achieve.
life. Excellent. Similarly, like in a football game, you have a goal in the end where both the teams try to score. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what exactly is a goal? आप लोगों को क्या समझ आती है, गोल क्या है?
So the objective we aspire to achieve in future.
Okay, the objective that you want to achieve in future. Anybody else?
The target that we set for achieving in future.
Okay, the target that you set to achieve in future. What else?
So life goal are essentially everything whichever we want to succeed in life before passing on.
Sorry, come again. I couldn't hear you properly.
Sir, life goal is essentially everything whichever we want to achieve before
Hmm.
passing on or before
Okay.
dying.
Okay. Anybody else?
So what we dream for to achieve in our life.
Okay, what you achieve. So you use the word dream, right? So now tell me, what is the difference between goal and dream?
So dreams are the targets which we cannot achieve or
Which
which
you
are
cannot achieve,
which we
but
are very far from ourselves.
which are
So
very
you
far from you. Okay. But लोग कहते हैं
Actually,
ना कि
dreams are
तुम.
I think dream and goal are both the same thing,
Okay.
but actually in goal we achieve our ambition or effort to achieve our achieve to success, and dream which we see which we actually says.
सेम ही है ना, कंफ्यूज हो गए.
no the dream. According to me, dream and goals are not the same. Dreams
हाँ.
are unattainable.
These are.
Sir, so yes, it's a famous quote that dreams are what we, when we sleep, we see dreams, and
Hmm.
goal is what that, after setting a goal, we cannot sleep without completing it.
Okay. So how are the two different?
So I think a dream comes without expectation or any circumstances or rules, but the goal comes with some certain rules, set of rules and some expectations.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, may I speak?
Correct. Please go ahead.
Sir, what we think, if we think anything bigger, it is a dream. But if
Hmm.
we set a target to achieve that dream, it is a
Hmm.
goal.
Excellent. What is your name?
Akash.
Akash, this is your first session or you've attended previous ones also?
Sir, I haven't attended previous classes. Today is my first class.
Okay. So
So
huh.
So actually, when we see a dream, if it is realistic, then we make a goal and achieve that goal.
Okay, so what I will do is Akash is very close to what I wanted to make it clear to you. You see, we all dream in our lives, right? And we all dream we should be this, we should be that, we should all do this, or I want to be this when I grow up, or I want to pursue this career. What are you doing? You are trying to look ahead and see things for yourself, where you want to be or how you want to be when you are at a certain stage, right? So the moment, that is what Akash meant, that the moment you put deadline on your dream, okay, then it becomes your goal. Understood? The moment you put deadline on your dream, it becomes a goal. समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is what Akash also meant, that the moment we put a target, we put a deadline, कि मेरे को इस टाइम तक ये अचीव करना है, then your dream can become a goal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
लेकिन दिक्कत कहाँ आती है? दिक्कत ये आती है, if today I say that I am sitting right now in May, in 1st of June 2020, and by July 2021, I want to be the richest person in the world. Now, ये जो मेरी ड्रीम है, I am not saying it is not possible, but is it very much within my reach, or it is very much out of my reach seemingly at the moment?
It's out of the reach because
Out of the reach.
Correct. तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है? So this is where you need to differentiate, because most of you said the same, try to say the same thing. जब आपकी गोल अचीव करने वाला बड़ा आउट ऑफ रीच होता है, तो आप थोड़ी सी ट्राई करोगे, लेकिन आप प्रोग्रेस नहीं देखोगे होती हुई. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? यू विल बिकम डिसअपॉइंटेड, you will become demotivated, and you will then withdraw yourself from achieving that. That is how people tend to break away from achieving what they have set out for yourself, because they become demotivated, क्योंकि उन्होंने बड़े unrealistic गोल सेट किए होते हैं, या आपको मजा ही नहीं आएगा अचीव करने का, क्योंकि आपने बड़ा इजी गोल सेट कर लिया अपने लिए. अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नॉट?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So like for example, so these are the things that you need to understand, that how goals are different from dreams, how you can make your dreams turn into your goals. The moment you set a deadline to your dream becomes a goal. But problem क्या है? अभी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि गोल तो हर कोई सेट करता है. हर कोई सेट करेगा ना गोल, के नहीं करेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So how do you then achieve your goals? How do you try to? So that is what we will discuss today. How you should set your goals, how you should not get demotivated by setting your goals, and how you should try to achieve your goals. Okay, this is something that we will discuss today. This is something that I am going to share with you today. Okay, राहुल द्रविड़ का नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So राहुल द्रविड़ कहता है कि जब मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था, एज क्रिकेट शुरू में, at the start, and I dreamt of becoming an Indian cricketer. Okay, and I would set goals for I would set goals for myself, because I had this habit of working very hard. So I would set goals for myself. So there were two kinds of goals that I had set for myself. One was called performance goal, and second was called result goal. समझ आई दोनों में? दोनों वर्ड समझ आ गए आपको? परफॉर्मेंस गोल एंड रिजल्ट गोल.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what could be the result goal? Result goal could be Rahul Dravid thought कि आज जो मैच हो रहा है, आज मेरे को 100 करना है. So that is a result goal.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
But
Yes, sir.
then he realized that अगर मैं सपोज करो 95 पे खेल रहा हूं, अब अगर मैं 95 पे खेल रहा हूं तो एक one thing that can go against me is that umpire makes a wrong decision, umpire makes a bad decision and gives me out on 95. हो सकता है, possible or not?
Yes, sir. Possible.
Yes, sir.
Second thing could be the bowler bowls a ball which is unplayable and I am out. This is also possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो उस मैच में जो राहुल द्रविड़ ने अपना एक रिजल्ट गोल सेट किया था कि भी मैं 100 करूंगा, लेकिन he got out on 95 either by a bad decision by an umpire or an extremely unplayable ball by a bowler. Are both of these things in his control?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? So what did he then decide? He decided that I will lay less emphasis on result goals, but I will lay more emphasis on my performance goals. Now, what is my performance goal? How do I bat? How do I build my batting skills? How do I approach my batting? How do I stick at the wicket? What kind of temperament should I develop to stick at the wicket? And then he said, because these things are in his control or not?
Yes, sir. In his country.
Yes, sir.
Right. So when these things are in his control and he decides that, yeah, now I will probably today for the first 3 hours, I will not get out. तो सेंचुरी तो अपने आप बन जाएगी कि नहीं बन जाएगी फिर the moment he stays at the wicket?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So are you seeing the difference in the approach?
Yes, sir.
And I
Yes,
will
sir.
give you this. What I am trying to tell you right now, I am going to explain it to you by the time I finish it. That what do I mean by performance goals? Okay, and how it is important for you people. Understood? And what kind of things you should do. So the point, what I'm trying to tell you is that we should focus on our performance goals. और उस performance goals में मैंने आपको पहले सबसे पहला सेशन क्या कराया था? What do the corporates expect from you? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Second session we discussed about the kind of magnetic personality and attitudes that you need to develop, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The third was focus and concentration.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what am I trying to tell you? Am I trying to build on here your result is that you need to get a 50,000 salary by the time you finish your MBA? That is what I'm trying to focus on, or what I'm trying to focus on is how you can develop.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So what am I trying to tell? Am I trying to tell you that you will get 50,000 at the end of 2 years, or am I trying to tell you that how you should develop yourself to get that 50,000?
Sir,
Sir,
develop
second
your
one.
Developed, sir. Developed yourself.
So how to develop yourself? Correct. So what am I focusing on? I am focusing on things that you should do to develop yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So somewhere I'm trying to sensitize you, tell you about the performance that you need to do to develop yourself to achieve that goal of your placement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So have you understood the difference now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And if I were to give you an analogy to it, agar मान लो, right now, which all places are you located in? Some of you might be located in Jharkhand. Is anybody from Jharkhand here? Chhattisgarh? West Bengal? Okay, which all places are you from right now?
Sir, I'm
Uttar
from
Pradesh.
Tripura.
I'm from Bihar.
Okay, so people are from Bihar here. People are from Uttar Pradesh also.
Himachal.
Himachal Pradesh.
People from Himachal are also here. People from Haryana are also here. Correct. So now if I ask anyone, if I ask the Himachal guy or if I ask the Bihar person that right now you are in Delhi and you are in Noida and you have to go to Rajouri Garden and you are here for the first time in Delhi, how will you go from Noida to Rajouri Garden?
With the help of Google Maps, sir.
Agreed. Excellent. So the moment I tell you this, what will you do? You will type your destination on your Google map and it will give you a direction to take you towards your goal, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So,
Yes, sir.
Excellent. लेकिन अगर मैं अब आपको बोलूं यार योर गोल इज कि आपको 50,000 सैलरी लेनी है बाय द एंड ऑफ 2 years फ्रॉम नाउ आफ्टर योर MBA, is there any Google map to show you how you will get that 50,000?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
तो यहाँ पे गूगल बाबा काम नहीं आएगा आपके, नहीं आएगा ना,
no, sir.
right? So here what will help you is your intelligence, your judgment, your planning, your process, your system, how to achieve that goal. And this is what we will discuss today. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Excellent. The things that I want you to understand, how do I make you understand? What do I start with? What do I normally tell you?
Story.
Excellent. Who's this? Very nice. So always remember, whatever concepts I need to tell you, I will build a story around it. So today also I'll build a story. Are you there with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are we ready to listen to the story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
ये सही है. आप लोगों को तो मैं फ्री में स्टोरी भी सुना देता हूँ और कॉन्सेप्ट भी समझा देता हूँ.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So have you heard of a gentleman called Navjot Singh Sidhu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can anybody tell me what do you know about Mr. Sidhu? Who is he? What does he do?
Sir, he's a
he was
politician.
Politician,
Cricketer.
commentator.
And politician.
Excellent. So he started his career. He started his career as a cricketer. Then he turned into a commentator, and then finally he also is now a politician. Right?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So now the story is, so when he was playing cricket in his initial days, and obviously he wanted to get into the Indian team as well, and he was scoring in domestic cricket, and finally he got a chance to play for the Indian team. Okay, understood. And the first test that he played against, the team that he was selected to play against was West Indies. All right. So Navjot Singh Sidhu's career started by playing a test against the West Indies, and when he was batting, and he batted for good around 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Okay, but he did not score runs. All right, and बैटिंग करके उसने कोई 10-12 रन बनाए होंगे. Next day there was this article in the newspaper, Strokeless Wonder, referring him as Strokeless Wonder. Strokeless Wonder matlab he has talent but he doesn't have strokes. He can't play strokes. Okay, so now when he entered his room after the series, and before that, his father, when he would, when he was practicing cricket before the Indian team, he wanted to get into the Indian team. Before he got into the Indian team, he would practice, he would exercise. So his father would wake him up at 5 o'clock every morning, go and run, do fitness. But he was very fond of sleeping. So the moment his father would leave his room, he would go out, go to the other room, bribe his servants, and sleep in the other room. And 1-2 घंटे बाद, when it was time to come back now, he would splash his face with water so that it seems like sweat. He would stand in front of his father and say, "Oh, I have come. Now I'm going back to my room." His father said, "Oh, you ran and did exercise?" He said, "Yes." And then he would go and again sleep. So when he got into the Indian team, then he scored whatever I just told you, batted for 1.5, 2 hours, scored 10, 12 runs. And next day there was this article which said strokeless wonder. So now when he saw his father in the room with that article and he saw tears in his eyes, he felt very bad. And what did he do? He cut that article from the newspaper and pasted it on his cupboard. Okay. And then he promised himself. What he promised himself was that I will not call it a day. I will not finish my practice till the time I score 300 sixes a day in my practice. So now he would go to his practice and he would bribe the bowlers to continue bowling at him till the time he has scored his objective, scored his goal of 300 sixes a day, 250, 300 sixes a day, whatever he had set out for himself. So अब क्या होता था? He would continue batting till the time he had reached his objective during the day. Bowlers थक जाते थे, वो इनको पैसे देता था, ब्राइब करता था जैसे मर्जी कि कंटिन्यू बॉलिंग एट हिम, क्योंकि उसका अभी ऑब्जेक्टिव टारगेट अचीव नहीं हुआ था. His gloves would become red because his hands would have blisters. Blisters would get cut, blood would come out of it, get onto his gloves would get red, but he would not stop practicing. He would continue to bat, score runs, score his sixes till the time his target of 300 sixes was achieved. 250, 300, 250, whatever he had set out was achieved. Then what happened? In 1987, India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka organized what was called Reliance World Cup. Okay. He was selected to represent India in the one-day team. Because of this practice, he had started scoring shots. He had started scoring runs. So people noticed him. And they selected him for the Indian team to represent India in the Reliance World Cup 1987, which was held by 3 countries together, India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Now, India's first match in Reliance World Cup was against Australia. And Sidhu was the opener. Now, because he had practiced and because he had changed his approach, in that match, he scored around 80 runs in 60-70 balls with some number of 4s and 6s as well. I'm forgetting that number. So from that article of strokeless wonder to one-day team playing in a World Cup match, first match against Australia, scoring some 70-80 odd runs with 2-3 4s and 3-4 6s in less number of balls. What do you think changed? What do you think helped Sidhu to achieve that feat?
So practice.
And what?
Hard work.
And
Hard
what?
work and dedication.
And what?
Sir, that
Freedom is
is
And also patience.
Patience and what?
strategy.
football.
ओके, स्ट्रेटजी और क्या?
Sir, that emotional hit he got when he saw his father crying.
ओके, सो उसने, अब अगर मैं आपकी गोल्स में बात करूं तो उसने क्या गोल सेट किया था?
Sir, to hit 200 to 300 sixes in one day.
Excellent. So उसने 200 to 300 sixes, so let's say for example 250 sixes, so he had decided that he will hit 250 sixes a day, correct? So he continued practice till the time he achieved that figure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could he measure his progress?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Could he also, did he set a target which was non-achievable? I will hit 600 sixes a day.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So achievable
sir.
target, achievable target,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then it was realistic one also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And he also set a time to it कि भी मेरे को एक दिन में खत्म करना है. ऐसा तो नहीं बोला उसने कि मेरे को एक हफ्ते में खत्म करना है.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But whatever time he had set a time for himself कि मेरे को दिन में, मेरी प्रैक्टिस टाइम पे दिन में चाहे रात भी हो जाए, फ्लड लाइट्स ऑन हो जाएंगी, बट आई हैव टू स्कोर 250 sixes a day, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it was something which was actionable, it was something which was realistic, it was something which was measurable, and he had set a very specific target, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So now what am I trying to tell you? What I'm trying to tell you is, when I asked you to go from Rajouri Garden, from Noida to Rajouri Garden, you said we will take use of Google Map. Fair enough. But when I said now that you have to achieve whatever targets, you said, sir, life ka target ke liye cannot be through Google Map. So life ka target can be through this SMART principle. Remember this, SMART. So what am I trying to teach you? I'm trying to teach you SMART principle to achieve your target or goal. What is S? What is S now that stands for?
Strength.
Strength.
I just said it when I just explained you Sidhu's story. What does S stand for?
Specific.
Excellent. Specific. What does M stand for?
Measurable.
Measurable.
What does A stand for?
Achievable.
Attainable.
Actionable. The goal that he set out for himself was actionable ना, उसको practice करनी है, he batting करनी है, so he could take action on it or not,
Yes, sir.
right? What does R stand for?
Relevant.
Relevant.
Realistic.
Relevant.
Realistic.
Okay, realistic.
And what does T stand for?
Time
Time based.
अब आपको अपने लाइफ गोल अचीव करने के लिए फंडा मिल गया कि नहीं मिला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मिल गया ना? So what specific goal that Sidhu had set out for himself? He had set out that I will score 250 sixes a day. So specific हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसने ये तो नहीं बोला
Yes,
I will
sir.
score. उसने ये तो नहीं बोला I will score good number of sixes today. So is good number a specific number?
No, sir.
Sir, specific number.
Specific.
So good number is a very vague thing, ना? Good number में कोई specific तो ना पता चला.
Yes, sir.
But when he says 250, that is specific.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now so let's say now that he says 250 and he starts at 8 o'clock in the morning and continues, so he can measure his progress every 2 hours, every half an hour, how many sixes he has scored.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So he can go back and measure his progress,
Sir.
right? A is actionable. So the goal that he has set out for himself is actionable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is nothing which prevents us from acting on it. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
sir.
For example, just to give you the context, what I'm trying to say, if I set out a target in March 24, 2020, let's say I am Hindustan Unilever, and I say that yeah, in my area I want to sell what does Hindustan Unilever do? Hindustan Unilever sells FMCG products, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. And Hindustan Unilever, in the one of that FMCG product is also tea leaves, correct?
Yes, sir.
So let's say I set out a target, I give a target to my team that yeah, in my area we've been doing 10,000 tons of tea in a month. Let's make this to 20,000 tons tea for the next 2 months. That means if I'm sitting on March, April we'll sell 20,000 and May we will sell 20,000 tons each. Okay. Now it is still specific.
Yes, sir. It is specific.
Yes, sir. It is specific.
Yes, sir.
It can still be measured.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is still realistic. It is still realistic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is time bound.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But is it
Yes,
actionable? Because the country is in lockdown, so there is very limited activity, economic activity going on.
Yes, sir. But
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
have you understood actionable?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Rajdeep, can you please mute yourself, Rajdeep? So have you understood now actionable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great.
sir.
So Sidhu's goal was actionable. Then it was realistic. 250. It was not that he said I will score 600 sixes a day. 600 होता unrealistic हो जाता, demotivated हो जाता थोड़ी देर में. Correct.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
time bound that I will do it in a day.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what did he focus on? He focused on his performance through this SMART principle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what I am trying to tell you is that now that you are starting your career, and this education is going to be the last education that you have. Most of you are going to have your last education, this MBA. And frankly speaking, you've all gone through the admission counseling
Yes, sir.
for your PGDM course.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
how many of you asked this question? Placement guaranteed hai kya? How many of you asked this question? Did you ask this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Good, somebody said no. But then some of you also said yes in terms of you asked this question, placement guaranteed hai kya? Correct?
No, sir.
Okay, some of you didn't ask, that is good. But some of you who asked, so my point is, no, that is a result. Placement is a result. What is the process of that placement?
So getting knowledge.
So based on performance.
Correct. So that is your process.
Yes, sir.
So if you have taken care of that process in the 2 years of your education, then obviously you can be little bit more confident, assured about your placement.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But if you have not taken care of your process and performance in these 2 years, can you be assured of your placement?
No,
The
sir.
chances, the chances become low. The chances become low, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chances become
Yes,
low.
sir.
Correct. So what is that process and performance when you set goals for yourself? And what is that goal? This SMART principle now. In the first class, when most of you said, sir, how do I build on my English? We discussed on a method. Did we discuss on a method or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So what was the method that we discussed? We discussed that one thing that you should do is read an editorial and then maintain a register and write down 10 words that you didn't understand from that editorial every day. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now that first class was on 4th of May.
Yes, sir.
Today we are sitting on 1st of June.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
many days? How many days? Approximately 26, 25 days.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in your register, you should be having 260 words.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
now,
sir.
and now if I give you that all of you have to send me a WhatsApp of the pictures of your register and clearly showing 260 words serially numbered, I don't know how many of you would be truthful in doing that and how many of you would not be truthful in doing that and how many of you would have been, you would send or you would not send. Because now there is a process that we have defined. So you have set a goal for yourself, specific, 10 words, measurable, you can measure it, actionable, it is realistic, and it is time bound. So if you have been following that principle, right now you would have been sitting on 260 new words that you would have built your vocabulary with till today. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if you would not have been true to yourself, you would be lacking 260 words in your vocabulary. And so somebody who has made a truthful effort, somebody who would have made a sincere effort in this process will go one step ahead or will go 2 steps ahead amongst you people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So obviously when he will start his regular classes at the college, he'll be 1 step, 2 step ahead of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you are understanding now marginal improvement that we discussed in focus and concentration. Marginal improvement. And by the time you are at the end of your first semester, his marginal improvement would be compounding and he will go way ahead of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is going to be the difference between a good placement and a great placement. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So now this is precisely the reason what I am trying to instill in you, I'm trying to build in you that you should start focusing on your process. And I'll tell you why. What do I mean by process? What do I mean by saying and focusing on process and how it will help your performance? Because result, which is the final goal, is a result. The final goal that you want to achieve is a result. The place where you want to reach is a result. How you reach there, अब उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? अब कोई बोलता है थॉट प्रोसेस देखो, व्हाट इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस? इफ आई टेल यू दिस वर्क, कोई बोलेगा यार सी दिस रिक्वायर्स रूटीन, दिस रिक्वायर्स हैबिट, दिस रिक्वायर्स, it is going to be boring also. You might feel bored at times as well. But somebody who can sacrifice this for the knowledge is then going to go closer to his result. And there is a shortcut also that you don't do this. आपने दोस्तों से पूछ लिया, but then in the life when you face challenges, you will always look for shortcuts. तो एक attitude बन जाता है. Understood? So you will only be able to achieve your result, your goal, if you are also able to sacrifice or make sacrifices. If you are not willing to make sacrifices, you will not be able to strive to achieve your goal or result that you have set out for yourself. Do you agree with me or do you not agree with me? Am I talking sense or am I talking nonsense?
I agree with you.
Agree with you.
Yes.
So my question to you is how willing you are, how open you are to sacrifice and come out of your comfort zone to build on your process and work hard on your process to achieve your goal. I have given you the funda of setting a goal, but that is going to give you the result. उसका process तो आप ही लोग set करोगे. And important is you might be, see, are you interested to be successful or committed to be successful? इसमें दोनों में difference क्या है?
Committed.
Difference क्या है?
Committed to be successful.
Sorry?
Committed to be successful, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference between being interested to be successful or committed to be successful?
Sir, interested is like we want to.
Sir, committed
So
is that
committed
thing
में
which must be to grab.
Come again.
Sir, committed is that thing which we must grab.
Okay. And
Sir,
interested?
committed में है कि सर
Yeah, continue.
सर कमिटेड में है कि हम लोग मुझे करना ही है, मतलब उसमें फोकस करना.
Excellent.
इंटरेस्ट में बस कर लेंगे,
कर
काम
लेंगे
चलाओ के लिए.
काम चलाओ के लिए. तो अगर जो मैंने अभी समझाया, तो इफ आई से somebody says यार आई एम इंटरेस्टेड, तो इसका मतलब वो शॉर्टकट्स भी ढूंढेगा, हार्ड वर्क नहीं करेगा, लिमिटेड हार्ड वर्क करेगा.
Yes,
करेक्ट?
sir, obviously.
Yes, sir.
Right? And
Yes, sir.
if so, the intensity to achieve is little less.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if I say, yeah, I am committed to achieve this and I give my 100%, and तो मेरी आवाज भी चेंज है, मेरी इंटेंसिटी भी चेंज है, and I am seemingly more sincere now,
Yes, sir.
Also, sir,
and,
confidence also.
and I will not look for shortcuts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So always remember this and question yourself on this. आपने ये गोल सेट कर लिया, आर यू रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू अचीव दैट गोल और आर यू रियली कमिटेड टू अचीव दैट गोल? क्योंकि इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन यू विल लुक फॉर शॉर्टकट्स, और तुम मोस्टली वही करोगे जो दूसरे लोग कर रहे हैं. बट इफ यू आर कमिटेड देन probably you will find your own way and method and process of achieving which is unique to you and which is giving you results, then you are not bothered कि दूसरा क्या कर रहा है. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Difference समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, प्रॉब्लम्स क्या आती है? प्रॉब्लम्स, वो प्रॉब्लम्स आपको देखनी है. वो प्रॉब्लम ये है, अभी मैं आपको ये समझाने वाला हूं, एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझाने वाला हूं. एंड बिकॉज मैंने जब शुरू में बोला था राहुल द्रविड़ का एग्जांपल लेके, परफॉर्मेंस गोल एंड रिजल्ट गोल, एंड आई टोल्ड यू आल्सो दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू by the end of the session that how it is going to relate with you from the performance angle. Let's say you right now we are 54 people. 54 में मैं अगर if I discount the 3 faculties that we are here right now, so you are approximately 50 students right now. Correct? Out of you 50 students in the batch, some of you will get great placements, some of you will get good placements, some of you will get bad placements. By bad placements, what I mean is the placements which जो placement आपको चाहिए थी वो मिली नहीं, and you are now getting placement which you are saying okay चलो यार कुछ नहीं तो ये तो है, right? And some of you might be without placements. 4 cases ही हो सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But what is the difference between a great placement? Why would somebody get a great placement? Why would somebody get a good placement? Why would somebody get a okay placement? And why would somebody not get a placement? Reason क्या हो सकते हैं? Because you both, all of you are the same class. All of you have been through the same education. All of you started your PGDM in the same time. All of you have completed your PGDM at the same time. But why is it that in a class somebody has a great, somebody has a good, somebody has a okay, and somebody doesn't have a placement?
Sir, it's depend upon the student performance.
Okay. Anybody else? What else?
Sir, it depends upon the dedication.
Okay. Anybody else?
It depends who is just interested and who is committed.
Okay. Excellent. Anybody else?
Sir, efforts that made in course.
Excellent. So, are you talking in the same language now that I want you to understand? आपने वही reason निकाल लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are now speaking those same words which I have been trying to make you understand, but now you are speaking those same words with the result that you have seen when I have elaborated that some have great, some have good, some have okay, and some have no placements. And you have created that difference. कि वो difference is because of committed dedication, performance, improvement in terms of the way you have improved yourself. अब आप लोग वही चीज ही तो बोल रहे हो कि कुछ और अलग से बोल रहे हो?
It's the same thing.
आप वही चीज बोल रहे हो ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर मैं इसकी आपकी एनालॉजी एक ओलंपिक गेम्स के साथ कर दूं, so let's say for example you are a batch of 50 and in Olympics the teams also participate for gold medal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
और इंडिविजुअल स्पोर्ट की बात करूं तो एथलेटिक्स में भी द प्लेयर्स एथलीट्स run for gold medal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And let's say there are 10 people running in a race. One will get gold, one will get silver, the third will get bronze, and the rest is better luck next time. यही होता ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if there are 3 openings in a company and you 10 are sitting for an interview, and out of those 10 3 get placement, the rest is what? Better luck next time?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
So what is the goal? Whether you are competing in Olympics for a gold medal or whether you are competing for placements, गोल तो सेम ही है ना. या तो मेरे को गोल्ड चाहिए या मेरे को प्लेसमेंट चाहिए. गोल तो सेम ही है ना मेरा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So every Olympian wants to win a gold medal. So each one of you also want to get the best placement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you understand and see for yourself, and if one of you is successful or the other is unsuccessful, but people share the same goals.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं, इसका ये मतलब है ना कि मतलब अब नाउ, सो इसका ये मतलब है कि गोल कैनॉट डिफरेंशिएट द विनर्स फ्रॉम द लूजर्स. गोल तो नहीं डिफरेंशिएट कर सकेगा ना विनर्स फ्रॉम द लूजर्स को.
Yes, sir.
Like your goal is to get a placement, so your goal will not be able to differentiate na ki who is going to be a winner or who is going to be a loser, because everybody will say I want a good placement.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like everybody who competes in Olympic Games will say I want a gold medal. So it is not going to differentiate between a winner and a loser, right? Because everybody is fighting for a gold medal, or everybody is running for a gold medal, competing for a gold medal.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is going to, I gave you a concept, right? I gave you a concept in focus and concentration. What was that concept of marginal improvement?
Yes, sir. One.
Did I give you or not? I gave you a triple I concept. I gave you, na? I gave you inspiration for incremental improvement. I gave you that concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is going to differentiate from a no placement to a okay placement? From a okay placement to a good placement? From a good placement to a great placement is only what kind of incremental improvement you bring in yourself for the next 2 years. So have you now understood how your focus and concentration is going to help you now in your goals?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood that now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
no? Right. Have you also understood now that how your performance and your process of improvement in your performance is going to help you now in your achieving your goal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what I am trying to tell, so what is your what is going to be your improvement now? Goals तो आपने सेट कर दिया. मैंने गोल समझा दिया आपको कि यार ये concept है, this is why it is important. But what is your basic improvement processes? अब आपको क्या करना है? You should be good in your studies, which is your subject knowledge. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You should be good in your spoken English. You should
Yes,
be good
sir.
in your written English. You should be good in your knowledge outside your books. You should have good understanding of the social, political, economic environment in the country and globally. वो कैसे होगा? You start reading. So these are marginal improvements you have to now bring in yourself. Are you willing to do it? Are you interested to do it? Or are you committed to do it? Choice is yours. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? So you need to be open to how much sacrifices you are able to pay. Are you willing to give the sacrifice that is required to achieve your goal, or are you not willing to give the sacrifice that is required to achieve your goal? वो क्वेश्चंस तो आपने अपने आप को करके और फिर अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना है. राइट और रॉन्ग?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
किसी ने कहा है कि when it comes to achieving your goals, you cannot pay by your credit card. You must pay in advance in full. What is that advance in full? Your effort. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? और कभी कभी आपने लिखा होगा जब आप हाईवे पे जाते हो या टीचर्स भी क्लास में कहते हैं, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. एंड वो कहते हैं ना गड़ा भी बूंद बूंद से भरता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
बोलते हैं
sir.
ना,
Yes, sir.
बोलते हैं ना. So what is this बूंद बूंद? What is that single step? Marginal improvements.
So every step that we hard work for improving ourselves.
So that is what I'm saying. Marginal improvement, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So now, so can anybody quickly tell me now what is meant by SMART concept of goal setting?
Yes, sir. SMART is basically S stands for specific, that one should be specific with their goals. M stands for measurable, that you can just measure what process you are making every day. A is actionable, like you can work upon it. R is realistic, that whether it is like a small goal, but it should be realistic, not because unrealistic goals leads to demotivation. And then time
And less challenging goals lead to lack of effort.
Okay.
अगर आपने
Yes,
बड़ा
sir.
आसान सा गोल सेट कर लिया जिसमें आपको एफर्ट ही नहीं लगा, तो यू वुड से, ओ यार, इट इज सो इजी टू अचीव. So you would not figure out, you will not feel the effort that has gone behind it because it has not challenged you.
Yes, sir. Right.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So it is both ways.
Yes, sir. Right.
And
And
T.
last is T stands for time bound.
Mm-hmm.
That basically the goal should be with the time, like if a deadline basically.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So now, what can you do for yourself? Now, let's say, for example, you want to set goals for yourself, right? Do you have to write your final year exams also right now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? So now you can set small goals for yourself, break it up into SMART principle and start achieving them. So for example, you can start seeing, okay, now I will probably in the next 2 months, I will regularly read newspaper. And so you understood now? Regularly read newspaper for the next 2 months.
Yes, sir.
And which newspaper? Times of India. So make a specific newspaper also.
Sir, Economic Times.
Whatever, that is your choice. But should be English newspaper.
Okay, sir.
And then let's say, for example, one is the reading complete newspaper. Second is, you could say that I will read in the first week, I will lay my focus on political, economic, social and technological news. So there are 4 categories of news. There is 4 categories of news that you are now looking for in a newspaper now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now if you do that for 1 month, and see your progress. By the end of 1 month, you would have developed that habit of reading newspaper. You would have increased your vocabulary. You would have increased your knowledge of what's going on in the economy or world. And then obviously this becomes a habit, and naturally now things would come to you naturally now, reading a newspaper and looking for this news. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood goal setting now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who's this?
Sir, Priya.
Yeah, Priya, tell me.
Sir, in future, there is some different situation. If we are deviating from our goal, so how can we control ourselves to deviating ourselves?
Great. Excellent. So let's say, for example, if you are tracking your achievement properly, right? So you are measuring your goal.
Yes, sir.
So when you are measuring your goal, you are understanding the deviation also that is coming with it.
Yes, sir.
So then you will get into the analysis mode. Why are you deviating? Are you giving appropriate time or not? Are you giving less time? Are you putting in that effort or not? Right. So then you will start addressing those factors which are forcing you to deviate.
Yes, sir.
Right. And that is how you will then again revisit your and align your effort also accordingly, and then get your goal in sync.
Yes, sir.
समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Like, for example, again I will come back to भाग मिल्खा भाग. ठीक है. Last class में I discussed and we discussed about the change in his character from ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जब वो जाता है ओलंपिक्स के लिए, एंड आफ्टर ही कम्स बैक फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड स्टार्ट्स प्रैक्टिसिंग. उसका गोल क्या था? ही हैड टू अचीव दैट टारगेट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बीट करना था उसको.
Yes, sir. He
Right.
wants.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So he got into different processes to build his capability.
Yes, sir.
Right. कई बार उसके मुंह से खून भी निकल आ रहा था, सब कुछ निकला, बट ही वाज मेजरिंग हिज प्रोग्रेस.
Yes, sir. Step by step,
Step by step he was measuring his progress and changing his routine also accordingly to build his capability.
Yes, sir.
So similarly you will also have to revisit and measure whether you are achieving your goal or you are in the direction of your goal or not.
Okay, sir.
समझ आ गई? Priya, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other question? Any other question, my dear?
Sir,
Yeah, Rajdeep.
sir, in you told about some editorial news to read every day. So actually, when I start to read that kind of news in my mobile, so sometimes I feel like that some lines I can't able to understand what the line is telling about.
Fair enough. Okay.
So after that, I will get means day by day it will happen with me.
Right.
It has been happened with me.
Right.
So that time I feel that actually I don't understand what the line has.
Right.
told.
Fair enough.
So
How to handle that?
yes, sir.
Correct. So Rajdeep, this is precisely the reason why I have asked you to read editorials. Okay. Because if you don't read editorials, you will not challenge yourself to understanding language and the meaning behind and the concept and the context of that news or article or opinion. Right. So whatever you've not understood at line, so first thing that you can do is discuss with your current faculty in school, college that you are studying, if you are in touch, or at home, or agar nahi bhi, so you have your mentor from Lloyd's also.
Yes, sir.
So the next best person to reach is the mentor.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
And once you have understood that, and they have given you an understanding of what it means, then you read again that article, so you will be able
Yes,
to
sir, yes.
relate better.
Actually, sir, when this situation happened, so after that, I don't feel to read. Actually,
This is what I am trying to tell you. Abhi, you are getting, what is perseverance? We discussed perseverance.
yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
Trying.
Yes, sir. Keep
Keep trying.
trying.
तो फिर अगर आप छोड़ दोगे तो persevere कैसे करोगे?
Yes.
And this is not
Continue to
something which
be
is a
still
very unrealistic goal. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना?
No, sir. No.
Correct. So have you understood it now?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Anybody else? Any other question? Any other question, or should I give you the entire thing through another story, the whatever we've discussed, and I'll encapsulate everything through another story. But before that, any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. So, do you remember that there was this international one-day game between Australia and South Africa when Australia made a world record 434 for 4 in 50 overs against South Africa?
Yes, sir.
In the year 2006.
Yes, sir.
याद है कि नहीं याद है?
Yes, sir.
याद है?
Yes, sir, I know.
Right. So those of you who know can relate it. Those of you who don't know. So there was this match that happened between Australia and South Africa in 2006, where Australia batted first. और 50 over में, otherwise till that time the normal scores were around 300, 320. In 2006, उससे पहले in 90s the good score in 50 overs were always around 250, 275. Okay, then the bar got increased and it came to 320. But in that match in 2006, Australia scored 434 in 50 overs. So normally अगर किसी टीम ने 434 रन्स बना दिए तो दूसरी टीम का क्या हाल होगा?
Challengeable.
दूसरी टीम का माइंडसेट कैसा होगा?
Demotivated.
Precisely, completely demotivated कि ये 434 रन कौन बनाएगा, कैसे बनेंगे, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when they went after the first 50 overs and South Africa had to bat and chase the score, so there is this half an hour gap, half an hour period. So when they go back to their dressing room and then the opening batsmen start padding up and then they start strategizing also immediately कि भी कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. So when they all came back into the dressing room, they were all very dejected, sad, demotivated, disappointed, and also now thinking how to score these 434 runs and win the match. So then what happened? In South Africa, there was this senior player, I don't know if you heard the name, Jack Callis.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you heard his name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, so what did he do? What did Jack Callis do? He stood up and he said that, yeah, given the weather conditions and the pitch condition that we have right now, I have played on this pitch before. 450 is a par score. मतलब कोई टीम अगर बैटिंग करती तो 450 रन के करीब तक बना पाती. And Australia are 15 runs short. What did it do?
Motivate.
They motivate them.
He motivated, he broke the ice, he changed the perspective of the players, and then they broke that 50 overs into small targets. Specific targets, measurable targets, actionable targets, realistic targets, time bound. Pehle 10 over, next 15 overs, then till 15th over, till 22nd over, till 30th over, till 35th over, till 40th over, last 10 overs. So they made targets कि इस टाइम तक हमारे को इतनी विकेट्स लूज करनी है, इतने रन्स बनाने हैं, इतनी विकेट्स लूज करनी है, इतने रन बनाने हैं. Everybody was given a role. Okay, and what was the result?
South Africa won.
South Africa won the game. So it was not Jack Callis standing up and motivation that won them the game. That only cleared their perspective. But what won them the game? The involvement, commitment towards the goal that they had set. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it can go right, sometimes it can go wrong. Sometimes you are able to achieve it, sometimes you are not able to achieve it. This is what happened with India. In 2003, when India reached World Cup final and they were playing against Australia, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया बैटेड फर्स्ट, तो उन्होंने इंडिया को टारगेट सेट किया था 360 रन का. एंड इंडियंस को ये पता था कि ऑस्ट्रेलियंस आर वेरी गुड इन द फील्ड, उनकी फील्डिंग बड़ी अच्छी है और फील्डिंग में वो 30 रन वैसे ही बचा लेते हैं, 30-40 रन. सो एक्चुअल टारगेट इज अराउंड 390. ओके, तो ड्रेसिंग रूम में इंडियन प्लेयर्स वर आल्सो वेरी सैड लाइक दैट. तो सचिन उठा, सचिन ने बोला कि कैन वी स्कोर 1 बाउंड्री एन ओवर. It is impossible. It is not impossible, but it is not easy. It is not easy, but it is not impossible. But if we score 1 boundary in an over, so a boundary and over means 50 बॉलों में 200 रन आ गए आपके, और फिर आपने बाकी बॉलों में 250 बॉलों में 160 रन बनाने हैं. तो टारगेट ब्रेक कर दिया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's a different story, that we lost the match and India lost the World Cup final because somebody could adapt to a situation, somebody cannot adapt to a situation. So what I'm trying to tell you is, you can set goals for yourself. You have to set goals for yourself. I have given you the process to set goals for yourself. And staying committed towards that process, staying focused towards that process, making marginal improvements towards that process is going to help you achieve your goal. Not just saying that, oh, I have taken admission now in Lloyd's Business School, अब तो मेरी 2 साल के बाद placement guaranteed है, I will get such and such salary by the end of 2 years. Nothing of that sort is going to happen if you don't develop yourself. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, how many of you think that are you working in this direction, and how many of you think that you will work in this direction, and how many of you think that you will try to now work in this direction?
Sir, I am working in this direction.
I am working in this direction.
Sir, I'm working.
Excellent.
So I'm working.
देखो ऐसा है, right now तो I am recording everything and I know who is saying what. And in August when we meet in the class, then I will get to know how many of you meant when you said what you are saying now, and how many of you were just saying for the sake of saying? वो तो पता चल ही जाएगा ना when we meet in the class.
Yes, sir.
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 Right. But one advantage will be that whatever we are discussing right now, and when we meet in the class, we'll be on a same wavelength because we have done our discussions here. So we know each other, and we know where we are going, and we know what we have to do, and we know why it is important. So we'll be discussing from a same wavelength, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, right? So this is very important. Next session is time management. Is anybody aware or not?
Yes, sir.
Very few.
Yes, sir.
1, 2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should always be very clear what we have studied so far and what we have to study in the coming times, right? And what is the our learnings that we are drawing out from each session. Clear? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Any other question anybody has?
No, sir.
So how many of you, which paper are you reading right now? Let me ask.
Sir, myself Indian Express.
Okay, Gautam reads Indian Express.
So the explained portion of that
Economic Times,
paper
sir.
is very useful.
Omkar, which one you read?
Economic Times, sir.
Okay, excellent. Economic Times. Shubham?
Sir, I am also Economic Times.
Economic Times. Right, excellent. Shubham is reading Hindu. Right, excellent. So what I mean is, so are you writing the words?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, great, excellent. So let me see who responds now today. Okay, so you will send your mentors. You will send your mentors a WhatsApp of an image of your page of the register dated 20th May. Have you
Sir,
understood?
I got a word card of 10 words per day. So I used to read that card per day.
Okay, so when you are using a
Yes, sir, I will share the image of that cards.
okay, fair enough. So I want the date 20th May. Okay, and I want you to send your mentors the image of the 10 words that you have learned on that day. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Sir, yes, sir.
20th. Service date.
20th May. 20th May.
Okay, sir.
Only thing I want to be very clear is that you should be very sincere and truthful. अगर आपने नहीं किया तो write to your mentor that I have not done it.